While my parents are visiting, I decided to fly them to Turkey, Antalya, and we left the rainy England behind, hoping to find some sunshine and beautiful weather. And that's exactly what we got. We arrived in Antalya in the sunshine and got a really lovely welcome from the hotel RIXOS Sungate. We were driven very comfortably back to the hotel and very good and delicious welcome with lots of fresh fruit and chocolate. And just like that, we were in Khmer, where the RIXOS Sungate is located. Soon enough, we were allocated our room, which was light and comfortable. And after a quick inspection, I found the perfect place to sit and enjoy a drink or two with amazing sea views, a lovely little balcony attached to the room. After the quick check in, we walked around to look at the RIXOS Sungate, and it was just such a beautiful sight to see these mountains next to the sea, and the water looked so tempting. I know nobody was in the sea, but it looked so tempting that I jumped in, and I have to say, it was freezing. It looked beautiful, but the sea was so cold. But I still had a lovely swim. After which, we went to the Mermaid restaurant for a delicious Turkish inspired sea feast. And just the location of this place is so stunning. The food was absolutely delicious, and there was also some live music being played. Loved and had a great evening there. Next morning, while we were chilling by the poolside, a group of performers just came from nowhere and the music started and they started performing. And it's something I have never ever seen before on my holidays in any hotels. They just arrived, there was a stage, and I didn't realize why the stage was there in the first place, but it was so unusual. And I had to leave my book aside, sadly, and just join in and enjoy the fun. And then came the highlight of the trip, which was the opening of the Bloom restaurant in RIXOS Sungate. This is a brand new restaurant that has just opened its doors recently, and I was very lucky to be there for the opening and was able to enjoy all the delicious food with my family, with me at the time. I love the setting of this restaurant. On one side, you have the big mountains, and on the other side, you have the beautiful blue sea. They created a special menu for the opening with eight different courses, and each and every one of them was stunning and different. They also had beautiful live music playing for us right there on the day. Right here at the Bloom restaurant, this is the stunning interior, and they created a special kind of range of cocktails just for the evening. It's an open style kitchen, so you can see the chefs working there, and these were the delicious drinks they prepared for the evening, which I have to say I thoroughly enjoyed. And here is a look of the delicious meal they served us, from freshly baked warm bread to these stunning looking courses, and they were all absolutely delicious. So fresh, using the fresh local fish and also trying to use as many local ingredients as possible. Here is the head chef serving up the final one of the final courses, which was this delicious ice cream. And he also gave a little demonstration and made this beautiful chocolate artwork, which was just quite lovely to watch him create this. And we got to have a little taste later on as well.
Şimdi beraber ben biraz gülleri böyle dağıtayım. Atayım. Sen de kır abi. Toprakla. Yeah, one. Yeah.
Yeah, the lady first. Yeah.
Ladies first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. No, no, no. I have a.
Okay.
Again.
And then arrived the final course of this evening, delicious pavlova with lots of berries and a pistachio cake at the bottom. And it was a mouthful, as you can see, but it was so light and so fresh and delicious. And it was so lucky that we were staying in RIXOS Sungate while their May Fest was going on, which meant that for a whole week they had people performing every evening with live music. They had performers come from across Europe, but I was loving the sea, and though it was pretty cold, we still tried to enjoy as much as we could. We took a little boat ride the next morning, just to have a look around the close by spaces, and they also let us stop after halfway and let us have a little swim in the sea, which was very, very refreshing and amazing.
You okay, Sia?
And everyone had a little go at steering the boat, which was quite fun actually. As you can see here, that my parents didn't kind of leave a chance of that, and also tried this sailing a little bit, and we were back in time for another evening of dance and music. Next morning, the kids had a little go at paddle boarding, which I think is a great thing about the RIXOS Sungate where they have a lot of activities going on. So they had morning yoga, they have constant exercise classes going on, and even though I thought I'll give it a go, I actually said no. I'm on holiday, so I'm gonna leave the exercise part for when I'm back home. But yeah, we did try the lovely water park, and a few slides on there, and this is one of the areas where you can have a little quiet private space to sit and enjoy the sunshine and the sea.
Deep, 2 meters 50 deep.
Is that lots?
Yeah, that's like
That's a good amount to jump.
yeah, no pool is as well.
And just like that, our 4 days in RIXOS Sungate were over, and we just drove back and got a flight back to good old England. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of our Turkey trip. But don't forget to subscribe for delicious recipes next week.